And the sky is clear. Fuzzy and blue, that's me, I'm fuzzy and blue. It's just the way that I grew. Love being fuzzy and blue. I'm fuzzy and blue. You see, I'm fuzzy and blue. Maybe I'm happy to be so fuzzy and blue. Fuzzy and blue. We all are fuzzy and blue. Love being fuzzy and blue. Whatever we do, everybody fuzzy, fuzzy and blue. Red and yellow and blue, enough to make a rainbow for me and for you. Just three colors, mix them up and see all of the pretty colors they can be. Red and yellow make orange, yellow and blue make green, blue and red make purple, fit for a royal queen. Just three colors, how they mix and flow, making every pretty color that we know. Just three colors, red and yellow and blue. See them mix and see the pretty rainbow shine through. Three different colors, how they shine to say each had something to the other in a very beautiful way.
It's not easy being green. It seems you blend in with so many other ordinary things. And people tend to pass you over because you're not standing out like flashy sparkles in the water or stars in the sky. But green's the color of spring. And green can be cool and friendly like. And green can be big like an ocean, or important like a mountain, or tall like a tree.
and gentlemen, thank you for watching.